What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking like it is still chopping sideways, really doing not much at all. You can see we did start to have a little bit of a push to the upside over, you'd say yesterday, realistically, on the hourly time frame here. You can see starting to make our way up here, but getting stuck at that resistance. And then with the altcoin market looking like it's having a little bit of a rollover today, you can see we come down back into these levels of support, making some, bearish movements here back down to key levels of support after starting to make a little bit of a move to the upside, looking like we are just rolling back down to retest these levels, basically to see what's going on. Getting quite oversold right now, quite overextended back into that key level of support. We're in a little bit of a small range right now, aren't we, like this, going sideways over the holiday period, really not that much happening at all. But you would say, overall Polygon still just in a range in the Fibonacci levels, working the Fibonacci levels. Resistance at the 0.50, support at the 0.38. You can see every single time pretty much we have been essentially hitting resistances and supports, and you can see very, very clearly here what's happened. You basically come up into this level here after getting the breakout, which is a 618, and then with the FTX collapse we come back inside of our Fibonacci level here, and we're back inside these levels, aren't we, just chopping sideways. And you can see really not much has changed for Polygon, still going sideways, still adhering to this range very, very closely, and we will be trading these Fibonacci levels until we see them broken. So if we come back, as we've notified here with this long position, if we come down into this level here, we will be putting a long in, targeting in the middle of the range again, because we'll most likely see a bounce in this area with the stop loss just below. And then obviously if we come up into these levels here, we'll probably be looking to take a short as well, because this level of resistance has been rock solid really, apart from this one fake out breakout that we did see a few months ago. And that is really it for Polygon, isn't it? Just going sideways, continuing to follow the market, and we're waiting to see what happens next. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.